Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's Christmas in July video, I'm sharing my portion of the Christmas is Coming vlog hosted by Craftstash. I'll be using my digital paper collection, Ice Blue Winter, which will be available soon at Craftstash. I'm also using die sets from Card Making Magic by Christina Griffiths. I'm also holding a $35 US gift card giveaway to Craftstash. We have several artists and paper crafting celebrities joining this hop. Please make sure that you check out their links below and subscribe to all of our channels. You'll find details to the hop and giveaway in the description area of my video. As you can see, today we're making a Christmas explosion box. This explosion box can be used as an elegant centerpiece to your Christmas home decor. These are so super easy to make that you'll want to make several of these to give to friends and loved ones. Let's get started. We begin with a plain 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, and we're going to score it at 4 inches on all sides. Next, we fold along our scored lines. Then, with some scissors, we're going to cut along the scored lines like you see here. Now we're going to take a sheet from our Ice Blue Winter paper collection, and we're going to cut some squares. With your paper trimmer, you're going to cut 4 pieces at 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. And with some double-sided tape, you're going to add these pieces to the outside of your Christmas explosion box. And if you wish, you could cut one additional piece for the bottom portion of your Christmas explosion box. Now for the inside of the explosion box, I have cut 5 pieces of just plain cardstock that coordinates with the paper collection at 3 15/16 by 3 15/16. But if you do not have access to that specific measurement, you can easily cut your piece to 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. Now that you have the mats in place, you're going to take another sheet from the Ice Blue Winter paper collection, and you're going to cut 5 pieces at 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. And with some dimensional foam tape, we are going to adhere these pieces to our Christmas explosion box. However, with the 5th piece, the piece that goes in the center, you're not going to add foam tape to it. You're just going to add regular double-sided tape and just adhere it right on top of your mat. Okay, so now the fun stuff begins. To me, the die cutting and the placing is all fun. So anywho, I have die cut several different pieces from several of the dies from Card Making Magic by Christina Griffiths, and you will find all of my affiliate links in the description area of this video. And Now, for those of you who don't know me, those of you who are watching one of my videos for the very first time, let me explain that I normally don't sound this way. Now, about a year ago, it's been a year, I was at the hospital. I wound up real ill at the hospital, and they had to intubate me. So during the intubation, they had a mishap, and they wound up severing the nerves to one of my vocal cords, and it left me sounding like this. I've had several different surgeries to try and rectify this problem. I do have one more surgery to look forward to. I believe that is next month, in which I will be getting an implant. So God willing, it'll help my voice go back to normal, so that I don't have to sound like Marge Simpson or Minnie Mouse. So with that said, I get real tired. My throat starts hurting, and I get tired of trying to speak, because I'm actually shouting to get my voice out, and it hurts my throat real bad. So what I'm going to do now is, along with speeding up the video some, I'm going to go ahead and add some music so that you can enjoy the rest of the video. As you will see, it is all about placement. I just layer and layer and layer to my heart's content. There's no right or wrong. There's no mistakes on this. You do it the way, however, it comes naturally to you. If it's too much for you, don't add too much of it. You can add as much or as little as you want. And I do have a tutorial for the poinsettia flowers that I made using dyes from Christina Griffiths. So I will go ahead and link you to that video as well. Make sure that you check out all of the channels that I have in the description down below. Subscribe to everyone in the lineup, and of course subscribe to Craftstash as well. This vlog hop is sponsored by Craftstash. They are such great people, have the best prices in a lot of the products, and so go ahead and check them out if you've never heard of Craftstash. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you now, and enjoy the rest of the video. Happy paper crafting.